muna, the book kasi Beyond 3D is really about, yan, like I mentioned, no, it's a unified framework kasi, okay, that describes reality.
Right.
Now, of course, reality, di ba, there's just one reality that we're talking about.
Yeah.
But there are multiple layers kasi dyan. Okay? Multiple dimensions, I would say. Okay? Dimensions. Not in the physical sense, but more of the participation kasi in reality. Our participation, our degree of participation.
Yes.
Okay? So, for example, so there are many levels. So, we start with the 0D. Okay? 0D means that is the spark of potential. So, kumbaga, that's the beginning. So, for example, if I'm gonna relate it to computers kasi since we're all, parang familiar with it, diba? It's the moment that you you turn on that device. Okay? So, that's that moment.
May consciousness.
That's the spark. Spark pa lang.
Spark pa lang.
Spark pa lang. So, it's